1. Which part of the plant is commonly known as the food factory? A. Root. B. Stem. C. Leaf. D. Flower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Leaf. 2. What is the term for the transfer of pollen from the male anther to the female stigma? A. Fertilization. B. Germination. C. Pollination. D. Propagation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Pollination. 3. Which plant hormone is known for promoting fruit ripening? A. Auxin. B. Gibberellin. C. Cytokinin. D. Ethylene. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. D. Ethylene. 4. What is a rhizome? A. An above-ground stem. B. A type of root. C. An underground stem. D. A flower structure. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. An underground stem. 5. Which of the following is a legume? A. Tomato. B. Potato. C. Pea. D. Cucumber. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. C. Pea.